Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install this synthetic wig. And as I learn more ideas and more tips, I'm going to make sure I always show you guys because I'm learning as well, so you gonna learn too, period. And I will be installing the Reyna wig. If you watch my videos, then you know I previously did the Celeste wig and it turned out to be amazing. So this is a definite buy. And I got this wig off Amazon, so I'll make sure I'll leave the link at the bottom. So this is what the wig looks like outside of the box, and I ain't even going fraud. I didn't know this wig was going to be that long. I was really surprised. It's nice and soft, nice and thick, and nice and full. So right here, I'm just showing you guys how the lace looks against my skin. This is without me tinting the lace or adding any foundation on it before applying it. And I want to keep it like that because I want to try to add cream concealer at the very end, and I want to see how it turns out. So before I start gluing this down, I want to take my wax stick and just push back any of those little hairs that are going to be in my way. So right now, I'm just going to take my Got To Be and just spray around all my edges. And I used my Got To Be this time because last time I used that, I think it was the bed head. Yeah, it did not go. It was all white and crusty. I was not feeling it. That was not cute. By the way, this wig is big head friendly. Alright guys, after the glue it has set in, you're just gonna go ahead and cut that lace. Did I change to smaller scissors? No, I didn't. But you're just gonna go ahead and cut. Oh, I did. You're just gonna go ahead and cut that lace all the way around the trim. And remember, it looks like this because I did not put any concealer on it, so don't judge me. Okay, by the way, you can flat iron this wig, I believe, up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I better not catch nobody with no thick behind wig. I swear to God, make it flat. Right here, I'm clearly just going through the motions of trying to figure out how to style this wig. I have a hard time styling wigs because I love a bust down middle part. It's just something about it. It's just, you know, it gives. So like I stated before, you can flat iron the top of this wig, but I was still being scary, so that's why I used the back part. And I think like towards the middle is when I started combing through, because I was like, yeah, that happened. Nice. Right here, I'm just going in with my wax stick just to make it a little bit more flatter, like, you know, Tiana Taylor's stomach. I wanted that flat. So now I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation, which is probably too dark, but we're not here for that. We're here for the wig. So I'm just going to take it and go around the perimeter like so, and just try my best to blend that into my scalp and make that lace not look so white. I'm also making sure I hit this middle part because I ain't hit it last time. Oh, and something after I applied the foundation, something was like just go in with some more Got To Be and spray it down along the edges for like a more melt. And I like it. It came out really good. And I don't know what made me think of this. Yeah, look at that. See, yo, I might be onto something. So after running my hands through the wig about 500 times, this is what the wig looks like from the back. It's very full and bouncy. And this is the finished look. I am so in love with this wig. I'm not even playing. This is like legit top 2, not number 2. And I am 5'5", and this wig touches the middle of my butt crack. So it's very long for my short girls, very bouncy, very cute, very flowy. And I love it. I hope you guys do too. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.